Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International School. I am going to start subject SPL of Standard 7, and this is second video lecture on the topic How the State Government Works, Chapter 3. Dear students, we have discussed about the MLA, and the term MLA, it means the Member of Legislative Assembly. So, the Legislative Assembly, which is existing in each and every state, and that peoples, that representatives are the member of that legislative assembly. That's why they are known as the member of legislative assembly, or in short we can say MLA, जिसे हम हिंदी में विधायक कहते हैं. So जो कि विधानसभा का एक अभिन्न अंग है. So these are the members which are being elected by the peoples, and here the example is given about the Himachal Pradesh, in which there are 68 assembly constituencies. Like in our Bihar, the upcoming you will hear then in October or November, the election time is coming. So we have also know about it that there are 243 constituencies in the Bihar, and there you will see that the different parties, they will launch their candidate to fight against each other. So the different parties and the different peoples, they are just looking forward toward the election. So here a case is given here about the Himachal Pradesh, there that the from each constituencies, the one representatives who became the member of legislative assembly. It means from each of the constituencies, like there are 68 assembly constituencies, then 68 MLA will be there, and we have to know about it that those particular parties who will get 50% plus 1, it means those parties who will get the 50%, like there are 68 assembly, 68 constituencies assembly, then there should be the 34 is the 50% and plus 1, it means 35. If any of the parties he got 35 MLA, then that party will be overcome as majority party, and that party has the right to make the government within the state. So this is the procedure which lies in all over the states in the India, and this same procedure is for each and every states. Like you came to know about the majority, but if you will talk about the opposition, then you will know that those parties which got the less number of winning candidate, and they are less than the majority, so that bigger party है ना, within that party, within those one party became the majority and one party formed the government. But in another side, when the other party which is less candidates, less winning candidates, then that party will be in the opposition. Or in simple form you can say that all the other members which are opposition of the majority party, those are known as opposition parties. Like this election was happened in 2003, and there the major parties which were between the Congress and the BJP, like those parties who can achieve the target of 34 MLA, they could get the majority in the party and in the state. So here the parties of Janata Party was in major opposition parties, because the Congress, Indian National Congress, INC, Indian National Congress, was having the 43 MLA, which was much more than 35. It means they overcame as the biggest party. So the governor, they will invite first the biggest party to form the government. If the biggest party is not forming the government, then there will be the different situation, and somehow the other parties can form the government. But those parties who have achieved the greater winning candidate, they will have to first form the government. And after the election, the MLAs belonging to the rural party will elect their leaders who became the chief minister. It means within those candidates, within those winning candidates, it means out of that 43 MLAs, the most powerful and the most best leader, they will convinced as to become the CM. It means such as in that case 2003 during Himachal Pradesh, Sri Veerbhadra Singh was the CM, and then the other MLAs, they will provided the responsibility of the different ministries. So these MLAs, they having the dual responsibility. The first responsibility is about the MLAs and another is about the ministry. So they have to just perform both of the responsibility well. Like from those areas where they have stood, those areas they have to look out, and in other word you can say that those areas where the ministry which have been given to them, they also have to look about it. It means some of the issues which will rises under their ministry, suppose they have given the health ministry, and if any of the mistake which have been done in the health ministry, then they will responsible for it. And if any of the issues which happen in their areas, then they are also responsible for it. And hence we will see here that the legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs from the ruling party or from the opposition party that discuss the various things. That means the legislative assembly. About the legislative assembly, as I have told you, that each and every state there is one legislative assembly which ever existed in the capital of that state. So like our in Bihar, in Patna there is the legislative assembly, जिसे हिंदी में हम विधान सभा कहते हैं. So okay dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.